Writing systems and speech. Writing systems and speech enjoy a very important position in the studies of psycholinguistics. Writing systems are designed to represent the spoken words of language. Now, it is through individual words that other higher units of language, such as the phrase and sentences, are represented. So, basically, words play important role in the construction of phrases and sentences, which are considered as higher units, starting from the words which are the initial units. And writing systems of the world are mainly based on one of the two principles, sound or meaning. So, sound and meaning are crucial in the understanding of writing system. Let's discuss that. So, there are many different sound-based writing scripts in use throughout the world today. For example, we have Devanagari in India, Arabic in Egypt, Hanal syllabary in South Korea, the two Kana syllabaries in Japan, the Cyrillic alphabet in Russia and Bulgaria, and the Roman alphabet in English-speaking countries and Western Europe. Some of these sound-based orthographies correspond highly to their spoken forms. Let's look at the English phonemes. Being essentially a sound-based writing system, English letters are intended to represent the individual phonemes of the language. Because the Roman alphabet was based on the Latin language, which used fewer phonemes than English, English orthography had to make adaptation in order to suit its language. For English, the following adaptations were made. A letter could be assigned more than one sound, especially vowels. Thus, the letter A represents two phonemes, want, cat. And then you have TH, which is different in think and that. Then you have A plus E, which as in 8, opposed to at. I and E as in bite, as opposed to bit, where C is any consonant. Morpheme symbols are there. For example, this one for the word one, two for the word two, plus for plus, and this sign for and. The writing system is predominantly a sound-based one where letters represent the phonemes of the language. To conclude, spoken words of language are represented by writing symbols. The inventory of visual symbols of writing systems is constructed on the basis of two principles, which are sound or meaning.